My, how the tide has, how the game has changed. What is up, Hardcore Nation? It's Hardcore Christopher here, and it was reported to me by Wrestling for Fans earlier today that Monday Night Raw and SmackDown have new executive producers. One being Paul Heyman, the other being Eric Bischoff. Now this is huge because a lot of people are going to tune in just to see if this changes things, and the only time Vince McMahon will step in is if neither one can agree. I think this is going to be a big deal. And with that being said, I'm Hardcore Christopher. Keep it hardcore, everyone. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's meet that 1,000 subscriber mark. Also, don't forget to go show my friends Spooky RoboCat and Tom Masters and Wrestling for Fans some love. I'm Hardcore Christopher. Keep it hardcore, everyone.